music. My Z say, do you gotta be the way you're truest? Let's get to it. I spend bands on the fit that ain't out yet. These niggas wanna be the plug on the outlet. I'm out of town getting for.
I do appreciate all type of support though, no doubt about it. YouTube, cuz, the little community I got going over there, cuz. Man, the way I appreciate y'all boys, man, y'all don't even know. Shout out to everybody with the post notifications on. Goddamn. Being able to see like returning viewers, cuz. Oh, this nigga slide to me, guys. Come on. Come on. But nah, being able to see returning viewers, cuz, that shit fun. I see one of my viewers, cuz, 800 people went back to the video, went back on my channel to watch it, cuz. That's crazy as well. Like, you know how much 800 people is, cuz? Like, I don't take no viewership for granted, cuz. 800 people went back to my video just to watch my shit, cuz. That shit crazy. But nah, hold on, y'all boys. I'm finna goddamn turn the camera off real quick. Text till I see what he trying to do, cuz he need gas. So I'm trying to see if you want to start, if you want to keep going. And then, yeah, hold on. I said, wherever you are. I know got a 4-hour drive. For everybody that last to watch video, cuz, everybody that watched the last video, man, I said you can't automatically roll up your damn Dodge Challenger goddamn windows. You can automatically put this shit down, but you can't make it go up. That is the most, I can't even say that word on YouTube. That's the most stupidest shit ever, cuz. I'll be having to put my phone up here, slow down a little bit, use my other hand to goddamn put up damn windows and shit, cuz. That shit is aggravating. Aggravating. I can't even cut up how I want to cut. It's only like it's a 2-lane. Well, actually it's a 3-lane, but that car, they're moving my slow as well. That shit gonna sound crazy. Yeah, it's gonna sound crazy as hell. That bitch gonna sound crazy as fuck, man. I'm telling you, man. It's gonna sound crazy as fuck in here, man. Talking about crazy as fuck. Y'all know where I'm at right now, man. All these damn buildings, but the echo, come on, cuz that shit. bitch. Through her, bitch, that shit sounds so damn crazy, bitch. Y'all ever get like a TikTok song stuck in your head and then you can't get that bitch out? You just start singing that bitch all day, man. God damn.